General provisions of retrenchment, it is in section 25 F, G and H. So first is condition precedent to retrenchment, it is in section 25 F. So no workman employed in an industry who has been in a continuous service for not less than 1 year under an employer be retrenched by the employer. Means employer cannot remove the workman from work until, so these are the conditions. So when the workman cannot remove, when the employer cannot remove, the conditions are here. So it is in section 25F. So the conditions are: the workman has been given 1 month's written notice indicating the reasons of retrenchment and the period of notice has expired, or the workman has been paid the wages for the period of the notice. B point is the workman should pay the compensation which is equivalent to 15 days average pay for every completed year for continuous service. And next is the employer should serve a notice in the prescribed manner to the appropriate government. It is in section 25F clause C. So in this, the condition precedent to retrenchment, we have seen the first point, that the no workman employed in an industry who has been in a continuous service for not less than 1 year under an employer be retrenched from the employer. Means the employer cannot remove the workman from the work until these conditions are satisfied. Now the second point, from this the condition precedent to the retrenchment, second is the workman is entitled to the protection of section 25F only if when he is protected only if he is employed in an industry and he has been in a continuous service for not less than 1 year under the employer. So here we have seen the section 25F. It is the condition precedent to the retrenchment.